Hello guys, it's Sim from university.com. I'm cycling around the world. Sometimes I need to work for my blog, YouTube and others, but I cannot concentrate well at the hotel's room or comfortable place. So I pay for co-working space. Co-working space like you pay for the place to work like this. I have checked several co-working space in Kuala Lumpur, so you have to watch to the end because I'm going to talk about the atmosphere of a co-working space in Kuala Lumpur, and I'll talk about this place about pros and cons. So please watch to the end. But first, let's have a tour of this place. Actually, this is quite a cool place in very nice building. So let's have a tour now. So this is co-working space that I've been 1 month. It's called Common Ground. It's quite a big company that they have so many branches in Kuala Lumpur and they're spreading in Southeast Asia. They usually open this main door during daytime, like 8 to 6 p.m. But they close after working hours and also weekend. And still, to enter, I need this card. Actually, there's two entrances, but first I will show the main entrance. So let's scan. So this is a reception area. There's always people, and this is like meeting rooms. I don't like to work here. It's always many things going on, so it's only good for like chill out. Here they have a small cafeteria. One time I ordered matcha, it was good, but most of the times I use a coffee machine instead. They have very nice coffee machine for the members. Here there are different places. There's a hot desk. Hot desk is you always go there and you work, but you cannot leave your belongings. But the fixed desk is the place I always sit same place and I can leave anything I want because it's only my seat. So let me show you how it look like hot desk. Let's go there. So this is hot desk area that people can come and sit any place. But this place only for 8 to 6 p.m. working hours and they cannot work on the weekend. So, but I need to work a lot, so only Monday to Friday, 8 to 6 was too short. There's one worst thing about this hot desk is that it's connected to the common area. There's something a bit like a door, but they never close. So this common area, always people have a meeting and then like people keep talking and they're loud music, but that noise comes to this area as well. So I didn't find the point to pay for this place. And this is actually a common problem in Kuala Lumpur that people don't care about being quiet. Like I've checked several co-working space in Kuala Lumpur and always a bit noisy and that they don't separate working place and chilling out place. They just mix together. But at least this place has one quiet place. So I decided to pay for that. Let me show you my place where I work. And you need always card to scan. This is my desk that I have a drawer only myself. So this is my things and they give me the key so I can lock it. And I can leave anything I want here. So this is only my place. When I work in the room alone, like I just watch YouTube and check the news and just I waste of time. But here, when I open the Facebook and some people pass me and then I feel shame and I just close it and I go back to work. So this is actually the main reason why I work here. And let me show you a bit other place like where I make the coffee every day. The best part of this co-working space actually, the coffee machine. There's printer, there's small things you can use and this is coffee machine. And this is honest jar that you take some snack and you put the money here and you actually write your name and I saw my name's here and I stopped eating because I feel shame keep eating. And here's some water and freezer you can use. This is the thing I really like about this common ground. Very good coffee for free. Cheers guys. And here next there's Corvo. It's very small. Tried to put my laptop here, but then I was afraid that I'll drop. And here another entrance to go out. So sometimes I don't need to come to the reception and pass common area to come here. I just come directly from here. To go out, you don't need a card. You just need just put hand like this. Once you come out, this is a lift area and the reception main entrance is there. But there's another area. So this area is from offices, and that area also from offices. And at the end of there's laundry, but they close. They only open the weekday working hours, Monday to Friday. There's another coffee machine and printers, and then some snacks. And here, this side are again offices. People rent a small office to have the address of their company. So there's no such a creative energy. This is a really like cons for me that I come for coworking space not only concentrate, but I really want to get inspired by other people what they work. So coworking space more like startup or something different one, but here it's really people only come for Monday to Friday, like 10 to 5, very regular office people, and they wear always like office, clothes. And even to register was very difficult. This coworking place, they try to have many events. Every week there's event, but people, only same people keep joining, and the network atmosphere is very limited. If you're looking for office, and definitely this is amazing place, but if you're looking for such a creative places and short term sometimes, then definitely Kuala Lumpur is not the place. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and so you can keep following me, and you can get the other information, and you can watch my blog about cycling around the world. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.